your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Bob Harrigan.
Well, here we go. We're not even there yet. The peak is yet to come of hurricane season. We have another storm out there, too, the 9th named storm of the season. The peak comes September 10th, the actual peak, and we're already at nine named storms. And there's only been 6 other years in the history of tracking these things over the past 100 that we've had 9 named storms before August 31st. So this tells you this is active season already, and it could get even stronger as far as those storms go. The Van Wezel webcam showing drying out. Finally, some dry air has moved in. Yesterday, not much going on. Today, pretty quiet. Tomorrow should be the same. But then we get back into those afternoon and evening storms on Friday, and it really continues on into the weekend. So that will be kind of a concern to watch the rivers and streams around there with some of the heavier downpours. Well, now that Harvey is over land, it is weakening. It's still the tropical storm, but expected to go to tropical depression status fairly soon. The heavy rain, for the most part, has moved out of Texas. It is now into Louisiana, heading off toward Arkansas and eventually Tennessee and even southern Ohio. Still some big storms occurring around that center. Very heavy rainfall rates up to 2 inches an hour. The good news is some dry air to the west of it and to the east of it will limit that intensity of storms. For us, that dry air is in place. We had a few inland showers, not much going on here at all. We'll call for just 1 or 2 lone showers in the inland counties through this evening, and then they'll be back again a little bit more so on Thursday. You can see that dry air covering the Bahamas all the way down into Cuba, through the Florida Straits, all over Florida, and to the west right now. So no major weather situation expected to occur over the next couple of days as a result of that dry air. It's 101. That's what it feels like right now. Temperature at 87 degrees. We have a west wind at 7. The pressure falling ever so slightly now. The high was 1 degree below average, and so was the low at 74. No rainfall to report for the month, just under 21 inches. The forecast for Thursday, lots of sunshine, high temperatures warming to near seasonal averages right around 90 degrees, and we'll have partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies throughout much of the day. The Futurecast RPM forecast model showing not much going on tonight. Tomorrow for drop-off for the kids looks good, and then we'll see limited inland showers possible building up east of I-75, pushing to the northeast on Thursday. So another dry day. Friday, things start to change a little bit as some more moisture comes back in. That dry air kind of leaves and heads out to the north and east. So we'll see a little bit better chance for a few scattered storms on Friday. Well, the overall satellite imagery showing quiet conditions here, and you can see Harvey is losing a lot of the deep reds, indicating that the storms aren't as cold, and that means that storm is weakening and will continue to push off to the northeast. Top winds are at 40, expected to move off toward Ohio and Kentucky. Well, here's our next storm. It is a tropical storm way out there in the Atlantic. We'll watch this for the next 5 days as it makes its way to the west and possibly to the southwest. As we put the map into motion, you'll see the forecast cone has it developing into Category 2. But we saw with Harvey on Wednesday, it was projected to be a tropical storm into Texas. By Thursday afternoon, it was projected to be a major hurricane. So things change rapidly when it comes to these storms. But the good news is it's way out there in the Atlantic, and we'll continue to keep a very close eye on it. Beach and boating forecast, seas running 2 to 3 feet with a light chop out there in the bays and inland waters. The water temperature now at 88 degrees. UV index will be a 10 tomorrow. Tides upcoming, Sarasota Bay, 10:36 for a high tide. Another one at 7:58. And the forecast, mostly fair, 78 and warm. Northeast, actually northwest winds turn to the east at 5. And then for tomorrow, mostly sunny, hot, high of 92. 20% chance for mainly inland showers. The extended forecast, rain chances increasing with better chances for those afternoon and evening storms come over the weekend. Back to you.